the ultimate guide to writing an impressive case study. Tips, examples, and expert insights. What is a case study? The case study is an in-depth research design that uses qualitative and quantitative research methods to gather information about a specific person, event, or thing. Types of case studies: descriptive case studies, explanatory case studies, exploratory case studies, intrinsic case studies, instrumental case studies, collective case studies. Key benefits of case studies: polish decision-making skills, collect a range of data, explore new perspectives, conduct research in the accessible way. How to prepare for case study writing: choosing the right topic, understanding the case study objectives, gathering information. 3 steps to gather data effectively. Start with exploring literature review. Select the research methodology. Collect and organize data. 8 key components of the case study format: title page, executive summary, introduction, problem statement, analysis and solutions, recommendations, conclusion, references, and appendices. How to write a case study? Start with a strong introduction. Add background information. Present analysis and solutions. Give recommendations. Write a conclusion. 3 key steps to polish your case study: editing and proofreading, ensuring academic integrity, formatting and presentation. 6 common challenges while writing a case study: lack of guideline understanding, poor data collection, inconsistency in analysis and recommendations, weak writing skills, poor time management, writer's block.